Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Francis Epila, MBCHB student in Gulu University. Today I want to perform a simple task as part of the basic computer skills that will help you to save your research work. Do it a simple way, and it is creating a table of content. So a table of content can be created in a very simple way. One is to bring your cursor on the first heading, which is this one, Project Alpha Documentation. So you come where there is heading 1, you right click, modify. After modifying, if you want to bold, you bold your document, you choose the font size. After choosing the font size, you make it based on the new document based on this template, you put it OK. Then you come to this 1.0 is heading 2, you bring your cursor there on 1.2, so this becomes heading 2, you modify, you choose the font size, you bold it based on this new template, put it OK. Then we go to the next one, put your cursor in there. This one is also heading 2, you right click, choose modify. If you want to bold, you bold, you made on this template, OK. Then we move down. This becomes our heading 3. So heading 3, you come right click, modify. After modification, you bold if you want to bold. Then you choose the font size you use based on this template, make it OK. Then this is still heading 3. So on heading 3, you still come under heading 3, you right click, you modify. The modification, the things here like the color that you want to use, you can use. If you want to use this color, modify, choose the font size you use based on this template, make it OK. Then you move back. So when you have gone back, here this is where you want your table of content to appear. So you will tap there. So after tapping there, you will now come to reference. So under reference will give you option of table of content. You choose what you want to choose. So after choosing, you will see that your table of content is up here. Is up here. So you can do a bit of editing right here. Table. This is your table of content. Let me use the capital letters for your document. So if you want to space it, you want to put it at the center, you just come here and you put it at the center. If you want to bold it, you can also make it bold by highlighting, then you bold it. So thank you so much. Continue to like the YouTube, tell others to subscribe, and be part of these computer skills. May God bless you all. Amen.